Hey, what's up everybody? It's John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm in a house that we actually bought at a tax sale about 6 or 8 months ago. It was in pretty not great condition then. And actually one of our partners, Robert, just finished the renovation. It is on the market and oh man, it looks so much better. So we're happy as always to have taken a house that was in pretty rough shape, and as you can see, did a pretty good job with the renovation. It looks great. So yeah, this is just a kind of an idea of the transformations that we like and the services that we do. So again, you know, always if you have a house in South Louisiana that's in rough shape or you just don't want any more, any condition at all, really, give us a shout. Check us out at homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer, and we can hopefully help you out, and then we can make something pretty again. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.